You're at the New York MJSA show 2018. We've been having a great response from our customers.
I love EnvisionTEC. I've been with them a very long time.
I use EnvisionTEC for everything.
I have been an EnvisionTEC micro user, well, since the first ones came out. My serial number is 35.
I use the EnvisionTEC Micro HD. I'm firm on PIC 100. I like it for its casting quality, but I also use EC 500 sometimes.
I'm currently using EC 3000. That material is great.
Quick turnaround, quick burnout, nice surface finish. I'm always happy with the results.
We've been using the micro with HTM 140, and the quality is better than anything else I see in the market.
Excellent machine, very smooth. I compared it to other machines in the market. I recommend it to anybody who wants to get seriously into the business of CAD and casting.
We have an Arius we've been using for a couple of years now. We use it as part of our curriculum. This part was actually printed on an Arius machine and then direct cast. It's a very, very detailed piece, and all of that came out in the print. It's worked beautifully for us.
This is our Vita UHD continuous digital light manufacturing printer. It'll print a 90 by 50 build plate up to 4 inches in height. We also have EasyCast 2.0. This material has 90% wax and only 10% polymer. You'll see that there's minimal supports to hold the model in place. So you can do geometry now that was unthinkable on a printer years ago.
We use a CDLM multiple times a day, PIC 100C material. It's a great casting material. We get extreme detail from the prints to the casting. Super clean, minimal grow lines, and we love it.
The quality is beautiful.
We're really the leaders in resolution in this and in the castability, making this a game changer in our industry for special order and being able to print and cast in the same day.